comment on one of my videos and I'm like, why not make a video on how someone that is starting from scratch as a complete beginner and don't know what the heck they're doing, how would they go about starting a business, like literally from scratch. So if I myself was someone who was looking to start an online business from scratch with zero experience, this is exactly what I would do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. Here on my channel I create absolutely free entrepreneurial content, free courses, stuff that you guys will pay thousands of dollars for. You can find it here on my page for free. If you like this type of content and you want more free courses, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our videos, you guys. These videos are created to help you guys grow and become successful entrepreneurs. Hey guys, my name is Veronica. On social media, I go by Viva. I own two successful businesses, the House of Glitters, which is the business that I started in 2016. And I've also been a full-time influencer since forever. Okay, so I like to hop right into the videos. I don't like to beat around the bush because you guys came here for information, so that's exactly what I'm going to give you. First thing I would do if I wanted to start a business from scratch is to research the market that I'm looking to get into. Like, for instance, let's say I wanted to get into fashion. I like clothing, which I feel like everyone likes clothing. Like, everybody wants to start a clothing brand. So I would go on social media and I would use social media to understand the demand and whatever competition I might have in clothing. As a person who loves pink, I feel like there's not a lot of competition because not a lot of brands solely focus on pink products, and that's where I come in because I absolutely love and live for the color pink. So that's why my brand is all around pink. So the second step I would take to starting a business from scratch is to come up with a name for my business. Now, a lot of the times we don't know where to start when it comes to choosing a name for our business. So you can use AI programs like ChatGPT and you could just ask it a prompt to help you come up with names for your business. You can even give it a bit more details about your business, and this will make that name tailored to your brand and whatever mission your brand has. You can also use generators on Google. You can just search a business name generator and that will definitely help you come up with something. If you're able to figure that out on your own and the name is not taken, then power to you, because that is definitely a brain wrecker, coming up with a name for your brand. So when coming up with a name for your brand, you want to keep in mind that you don't want that name to be too niche down, because in the future you might want to add more products to your business. So let's say you're starting off with lip gloss and you want to name your business like Victoria's Lip Gloss. So what if in the future you want to add other products to your business? Your business is lip gloss. That's what people are going to think when they automatically see your business. So usually you can go with boutique or something like that. The third step I would take to starting a business from scratch is to form a LLC for my business. But I would not try to form this LLC by myself because as a beginner, I'm just not aware, and I would want to make sure I'm doing this properly. I would use a platform like INC File. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind that you do not have to form an LLC if you don't want to. You can do a sole proprietorship, but I would form an LLC because I know the benefits that come along with having a LLC, like being able to get credit separately from yourself, business credit, being able to get grants and funding. Like, that's literally enough itself. Like, the funding, we need the funding, especially starting out as beginners with people who don't really have a lot of money. So I know you guys might say, oh, we're beginners, we don't know how to apply for grants. You guys, I applied for my first grant. The first grant I applied to, that was a grant for $20,000, and I received that grant. I didn't have any knowledge. I didn't know what I was doing. Nowadays, you guys have programs that you guys can buy. You have coaches and people that are willing to help you guys write your grants. So I would definitely invest in something like that. If you guys are interested, I do have an ebook for that, but that's not what this video is for. So the fourth thing I would do to start my business from scratch is to go ahead and get an EIN number, but I would not pay for this EIN number. EIN numbers are free. I've seen so many people paying for them. Do not do that. You can just go to the IRS and get your EIN number for free, you guys. Absolutely free. If you guys are not aware, an EIN number is like a social security number for your business. And then you also want to go ahead and get a DUNS number, which is going to be used to track your business's credit. Also, I want to add that a lot of banks do require you to have a EIN number. So my business banking is a credit union, so I have literally no fees with banking, and it did require me to have a EIN number, but remember, every bank is going to be different. Which brings me to number 5, which is going to be you want to open a business banking account. So this account is going to be separate from you. You and your business are going to be 2 separate things. So the 6th step I would take to starting a business from scratch is to create a business plan. We want to plan for success. Like, we want our businesses to be successful. So to do that, you must properly plan. Proper planning prevents piss poor production. Always remember that. So here are a few things that your business plan should include. So the first thing you want to make sure your business plan includes is an outline of your business concept. You also want to include who your target audience is, because you guys are gonna need this. You also want to include your marketing strategy. How do you plan on marketing your business? And you also want to include your financial projections. So if you guys are interested, I have a absolutely free business template that you guys can use. Catch it linked in the description. So the 7th step I would take to starting a business from scratch is to go ahead and create social media pages with my business name. So the 8th step I would take to starting a business from scratch is to create a logo for my business. So I would use Canva. Canva is an absolutely free program. They even have logo templates that you guys can use. Or you could go to Etsy and find a logo template, something that you like and you feel like it fits your brand aesthetic. You could use templates, or you can even go ahead and hire someone to do it from you on Fiverr. Let me really quick just tell you guys something. When it comes to getting a service for your business, whether it's videos edited, logos, graphics, SEO, anything, check on Fiverr first, because a lot of the times people who have those businesses in the United States, they use people from Fiverr and then they upsell it to you guys, because that is a business itself. So you want to go directly to the plug, which is people overseas. The 9th step I would take to starting a business from scratch is deciding whether I want to do a drop shipping business or a actual self-fulfillment business. So if you guys are not aware, drop shipping is where you don't carry the products, you don't ship the orders, like you don't do most of the work. It's outsourced from another company. So when you add these products to your website and then someone goes ahead and purchases that product, then you would then go to that website, the third-party drop shipping website. You would order it using the funds that you got from the sale that you made on your website. So the person goes on your website, they buy, you go to that website, you buy, and you ship it directly to your customer's house. So that's what drop shipping is. And you guys should know what self-fulfillment is. That means you're doing everything yourself. You're filling the orders, packing the orders. You're literally doing everything, which is a lot more work. So for a beginner, it can be very time consuming, but I honestly like the option of both, because I do love to do the work and customize my packaging. Drop shipping is less work and it's sometimes less of a headache. If you're trying to start off for free, then I would definitely look into doing drop shipping. But if you don't mind investing a few dollars, then I would definitely say you might really love self-fulfillment. So the 10th step to starting a business from scratch is going to be to set up a website. You guys, there are so many different website hosts. Like, I'm not gonna go in and start naming all of them, but I'm gonna give you guys a few. So we have Wix, we have Weebly, we have Shopify, we have WordPress, we have BigCommerce, and we also have Squarespace. So these are different platforms that you guys can research and kind of compare them together to see which one is going to fit you and your business. So the 11th and the last, these bracelets be getting stuck. So the 11th and the last step to launching a business from scratch is going to be start creating content. So if you are drop shipping, then you want to order samples. You are allowed to order samples to create content with and do product shots with for your business. Like, it's your business. You have to order samples. You have to see if the product is good. You must always order samples, whether it's drop shipping or if you actually have the products in stock and you're shipping them. Order samples. So you're going to use the samples to create content, because you need to have this content in place before launching. A lot of people launch businesses just randomly launching. You can't just randomly launch your business. You want to make sure that you have a landing page in place before you are launching. So this page is going to be like loading or coming soon into your email to be notified. This is going to help you to build an email list. So when you do actually launch your business, you're able to send the email letting people know that you launched your business, and you're giving them a percentage off for signing up to be notified. Creating the content before you actually launch is going to help you build up anticipation for your business. Like, you want people to be hyped, you want them to be excited for your business to launch. I would also definitely recommend you guys to apply to startup grants. This is going to help you guys get the funding. Maybe you can even add more products. Maybe you're a person who wants like a huge business and you want to carry a bunch of different products and you don't have the money to do that. That's where grants come in. Apply to grants. Even if you feel like you're not going to win, apply to the grants. You might win, you never know. I mean, you will win if you feel like you're going to win. If you feel like you're never going to win, then what's the purpose of applying? That's going to be the 11 steps that I would take as a beginner to launch a business from scratch. Like, if I had no business and I was just a regular person and I wanted to launch a business, these are the steps that I would take, and I'm pretty sure it will be a success because, you guys, I'm very consistent. Like, whatever you do, be consistent in it. You're not going to get sales right away. That's just not how being a business owner works. You definitely have to stay consistent and invest in knowledge and research on how to market your business properly, how to become familiar with your target audience. Like, that's all that matters, your target audience and marketing your products. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are looking for any other type of videos and you have not seen them, drop it in the comments and I will definitely create the videos for you guys. My goal is to help you guys. Like, I'm literally here to help you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, become a part of the notification gang, and you will never miss one of my videos. And I will catch you guys on next Saturday's video. Till next time, guys. Peace and much love. Bye, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.